Good morning. Going on a walk before the rain hits. I thought that was pretty smart of me. It's Saturday, the 3rd of January. Hey, last couple days I've been in deep thought. Half of my siblings, we share the same father. I wasn't raised with them. But I stay in contact with my great niece. And let these people pass. Good morning.
Morning.
So I sent the Happy New Year message, and she messaged me back and had asked how I was doing. And, you know, as I always say, I'm great. Hard for me to walk and talk because I haven't been walking a lot. So anyway, she asked if I was ever raised in the same house as the one sister I have, and I said no. I was 13 when I came into the picture, and then she asked some very serious personal things and about SA and things that she's struggling with. And of course my sister, her grandmother is now gone, and but gosh, the Lord has definitely shown me things that I thought I had resolved, or that I don't know. But yeah, the Lord's been working on me, and I've been working on me. So that was New Year's Day, and that was a tough start to the new year. But I pray that she, my great niece, who is just beautiful, that she gets some sort of therapy. I told her if we keep ignoring things, and I know from experience that it doesn't get better, that it affects every aspect of our lives. So I pray that's what she's going to do. But that's what I've been doing the past couple days. In prayer. Not wanting to honestly deal with it. I'm going to be 64. But Lord willing, I have a lot more years. And I can't help other people. I can't say, well, get therapy, take it head on, if I'm not willing to do that myself. And I have gotten, it's a little loud with the water here, but but I have. But obviously the Lord's saying, no, not enough. So then that law firm calls me again yesterday, saying, look, you're entitled to compensation for what happened to you. I said, no, I'll let God handle that. Your guys' background stress, I don't need. I said, I asked the other lady for you guys never to contact me again. So we'll see, hopefully. But yeah, it's beautiful out. It's in the 40s, which is really nice. It was in the 40s last night. So, but that's what's happening with me. I just wanted to check in and let you guys know that God really loves you and He truly wants the best for us. Though the Lord doesn't create bad things to happen to us, He will give us beauty for those ashes. And I'm thankful and I'm grateful for that. He's such a good God. Yes, He is. He is a good God. Anyway, have a blessed day. Enjoy your weekend. I'll be talking with y'all tomorrow. Pray for me, and I pray for you. God bless each and every one of you. This is Gracie, and I'm out. Bye.